Hello and thank you very much for clicking onto this video. It's another Fabfitfun video and this time it's the refill mystery bundle for the fall stroke autumn 2022. And one of the reasons I'm doing this separate is because I tried to do a little bit of research on the bundle that I was getting and there weren't very many separate videos doing separate mystery bundles, especially the refill. So I decided to do this separate. And the reason I was doing research, if you don't know, the mystery bundles, usually they give you a code and it'll be in your tracking email. So once your item is shipping out and you get your tracking, it'll list everything that you're getting inside that package as well as a code for the mystery bundle. And then what people tend to do is once they receive their mystery bundle, they'll put on the community forum what they received and what mystery bundle code they were given. And it's pretty, it's not 100% guaranteed if you have the same number, the same code, that you'll get a similar bundle. It usually is. There's a few codes that are different, but on the majority, yeah, because I knew, I googled, or I went on the forum and somebody had listed what they got with the same number, so yeah. I spoiled the surprise for myself, but there you go. So the mystery bundle that I'm getting, I'll put it on the title just to make it easier, but it is 2203 MYS and then 015. So I'm international, so just to let you know that internationals get a different bundle because we have a list of restricted items. My neighbour's dog. Right, this bag actually seems, look at the tag. It's thicker. It's usually a pain to try and get apart because the bag is big, that's why. So, and that's why the box that I got, my box in the bag, was big. Right, so the item, hold on a second. Hopefully it's a way back in again. Right, okay. Right, yeah. So that's why my box was big. It's a hat, like a little straw hat, and it's from a brand called Kenzie. So that's it there. That's the inside. I am not a hat person. I'm really not. I just got a winter hat in my Fabfitfun that I added in because I see the benefits of wearing a hat in the winter. But to be honest, I might keep it and put it away because some of the summer days that we had here, it was really hot, unusually hot for Ireland. And I'm thinking, you know, the hat mightn't be a bad thing just to protect my head from the sun if I am going to the beach and it is really warm. Do you know something? Some of the comments said that it was a little bit tight. It's not too bad. It feels a bit tight. I can't believe I am wearing a hat on like this on video. I don't think I see hats at all. But yes, I think I might just keep it for that reason. If I'm going somewhere that nobody knows me, like the beach, and the sun is blazing down, then definitely a hat would be beneficial. So I will keep it. So I'm not completely sad that it was in the bundle. By the way, the refill bundles $14.99, so they are a lot cheaper, but there is only 3 items in and the total retail value is supposed to be, it's a lot cheaper. I think it's about $60 it's supposed to add up to. I'm not sure about the hat. If I find it, I'll definitely put it there. Right, so what is in there? To be honest, I can't remember what was in the rest of the bundle. I definitely remembered the hat was. So, right, so these are the next 2 products. And this one is from Essentials. And it is, oh, I need to put my glasses on again. Where did I put them? Hold on a second. Need to get my new glasses too. Right. It says it's 100% natural. I'm not sure if I heard of this before. I think I have, but I'm not sure. It is a facial scrub. Oh, it's a facial scrub. I don't like facial scrubs really, to be honest. I think they're just a wee bit too abrasive for the skin. I have some up in my bathroom and I haven't. I open them, I use them once or twice and then I leave them. So I will definitely be giving this to somebody. I just prefer the sort of chemical ones like the Kate Somerville exfoliator, something like that. Alpha, what's it? I can't remember the name of that one. Or actually physically using a cloth to exfoliate, but not so much the creams. So I probably end up giving this away, unfortunately. So that isn't really good for me. Right, next up is super on, I can't even read this. I know somebody, is it Debbie, was complaining about the writing on products. And this one, I have no idea who this is from. It is, that's it there. When I have a closer look when I'm editing this video, I'll put it in, but it looks like it's a detangling spray, so that's good. I have a backup for my new night one, and you know something, I'll use a detangling spray, so I'm happy to have it, definitely, because it saves me going out and buying stuff. This one, I wonder what it smells like. Oh, it doesn't smell it. There's not much scent from that one. Yeah, so I can't even see who it's from. Is it Super Rich? I'm not sure. That there's a name up here that I can't see at all. The writing's so small and it's so faint. So I've no idea of the company and whether it's any good. But if I find out any information, I'll put it there below. So this refill mystery bundle, I don't know, it wasn't the best. I've got some good ones, but it's not a total fail and I don't regret ordering it at all. So yeah, so if you've got mystery bundle 015, that same code, then chances are you've got that bundle too. So yeah, if that's been helpful for somebody, thank you. I'm glad. And thank you so much for watching this video. And I hope you have a lovely day or a lovely evening wherever you are. Thank you. Bye bye.